Hey everybody, this is Dee with Everyday Living with C&D. So today I'm going to do a microwave hack for you and show you how to clean your microwave quickly. So you're going to use the Microwave stainless steel cleaner. This is going to be for the outside of your microwave. Everybody uses the Microwave glass cleaner, but they also have a stainless steel cleaner, and this one works well. And here's a hack for your Dawn dish spray. This is the power wash dish spray. So what you're gonna do is when you get further down in the bottle and you have just a little bit left, you're gonna add water, you're gonna add a little bit of vinegar and baking soda to it. And that's gonna help you clean the microwave easily. This is the only thing that I use inside. I don't like to use other like chemicals and things on the inside of the microwave. So you're gonna use just this on the inside, and then you'll use your stainless steel spray on the outside. And then you're gonna need a microfiber towel, and you're gonna need paper towels. Okay, everybody, so we're gonna start with the inside first. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plate out and put that in the sink. I'm also gonna take the part that goes under the plate out as well, because I'm gonna wipe that down as well. Okay, so I'm gonna stand on my ladder because I'm short, so I need to be able to get the entire microwave. So you're gonna take your Dawn power wash spray and just spray inside, all around. And if you have like baked on food and stuff like that, just spray it down and just let it sit for a moment. But I don't have too much in here. I have a little bit, so I'm just gonna spray it and start wiping. So I'm gonna spray it really good, make sure I cover all of the microwave, and then I'm gonna take a damp cloth or your microfiber towel. I'm gonna wipe it down. And you're gonna make sure to wipe down the entire microwave really good until you get it clean. So what I'm gonna do now is spray the microwave again. Then I'm gonna rinse out my towel, wring it out, and I'm gonna come back and wipe it down again. Okay, and while the other part is sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inside of the door. And I'm gonna wipe that down as well. And I know the microwave might look a little clean to you guys, but it's not. What happens is when I cook and things pop all over the microwave, I just wipe it up then. Then you just go back and do a deep cleaning on it. So got the inside of the door all clean, and then we can go back and wipe the inside again. Make sure everything's clean in here. Okay, so I've rinsed my towel. I'm just gonna go in and wipe it with the rinse towel this time to remove any of the Dawn spray and everything that I have in there. So I'm just gonna go and rinse it. Wipe it. And I'm gonna repeat and do that one more time. Okay, I've wiped the microwave down a final time. And I'm gonna wipe this inside part as well. And then you're gonna take paper towels and wipe it out with the paper towels. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna wipe all of these little compartment areas as well. Wipe the top. And get you a little step ladder, everybody, if you're short and you can't see it, so that you can see all of it. And I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this part and dry that. Then I'm gonna take more paper towel and I'm gonna do the inside. And this is when you make sure that everything is out, and if you have anything that was left over from your towel, make sure that's wiped away as well. You're gonna wipe it top to bottom with your paper towel just to make sure everything is clean and dry. And you can take that last paper towel and wipe the inside here. And that's it for the inside. So you're gonna take the little part that goes under your glass plate, take that towel and just go around it. Okay, then you're gonna take your paper towel and dry it. And you just wanna make sure this part is clean, because if you have a lot of food and everything cooked on it, it could get on here as well. So I'm gonna put this back in, and then I'll put my plate back in once I wash that. Okay, everybody, so here's my plate. I'm gonna take it and spray it with the Dawn Power Wash spray. And then I'm gonna take my wet dish towel and I'm just gonna wipe it, just like you do regular dishes. Gonna flip it and make sure you clean the entire plate. And if you have stuck on food or anything, you can scrub that with a scrubber or a Brillo pad or whatever you use. And I'm just gonna rinse. All right, and there's our clean plate. All right, everybody, I'm just drying my plate and make sure that the front and the back is completely dry before you put it back in. And there we go. You're just gonna put it back in and make sure that it's lined up properly as well. If not, when you put items in there, it's gonna not go correctly. There we go. All right, so that is the inside of our microwave, all clean. Okay, everybody, for under the microwave, I'm going to clean this part as well. So I'm gonna just spray the soap on my towel, and I'm gonna take it and wipe all under the microwave. So you're just gonna make sure everything is wiped clean under here. And these little filters here, if yours are dirty or if they have buildup on them, pull those out, put them in the sink with hot water and your cleaner and soak them for a little while, and then you can wipe them down, dry them, and then put them back. But these are really clean, so I'm not gonna bother those today. And I'm just gonna clean, make sure everything is wiped, and then I'm gonna follow behind that with paper towel just to dry it. So on the outside, I'm going to wipe it down similar to how I did the inside. You're gonna do your Dawn spray. Okay, now I'm gonna just wipe the microwave on the outside. I'm gonna wipe the handle, under the handle, everywhere. Then I'm gonna take paper towel and dry it. And I'm just drying it. I'm still gonna use the stainless steel spray, but I'm just drying it first because we don't want the stainless steel spray to get cloudy. Okay, so I'm just gonna go around the edges with my stainless steel spray, but I'm only gonna use a little bit of this. That's about all you need. You're gonna take a paper towel and just wipe it. And you're gonna go with the grain. When you clean your stainless steel items, you wanna go with the grain. I'm gonna go down the sides, down the handle. And you see it cleans it and gives it a nice shine. And I'm gonna go the same way on the sides as well. Then I'm gonna take a dry paper towel and just follow up with the dry one. In all the places I use the stainless steel cleaner. And just make sure it's shiny and clean. Okay, now you see this little area on the outside of the microwave? This is where some of the stainless steel spray got. So I'm just gonna take a wet paper towel and go behind that and just clean that off. Just to make sure it's not streaked. See, you're just gonna take it and go along that area. Just to make sure it's all removed. Then you're gonna go behind it with another wet, dry paper towel and wipe it up. On this side as well. And that's it. Okay fam, that was a quick microwave cleaning hack. So let me know how the products work for you and let me know how easy it was for you to clean your microwave. So make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe on our videos for more cleaning hacks, more cooking videos and recipes. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.